Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to take the screenshot using the Edge panel. So in this device, I already enabled the Edge panel. So at the right side, you can see this is the Edge panel. So let me show you how to take the screenshot using Edge panel. So for this, first of all, we need to enable the Edge panel on this device. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option display. Now simply scroll down. Here you can see the option Edge panel. Now in this device, I already enabled this option. Now tap on the option Edge panel. Now we need to customize this one. Tap on the option panels. Now we need to add the task option is also together with the panel. Now open the Edge panel. Now swipe right. Here you can see the option the take a screenshot under that task. Okay. Take a screenshot. You can see the screenshot is captured. So simply in this way we can take the screenshot using Edge panel on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.